Hi everyone, it's Janis here, and in this video we will explore what is peak and roll. Do you tend to remember the whole experience or the best parts of it? Let's take a look at peak and roll. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos about time management and productivity. Peak and roll is the tendency for people to judge an experience largely based on how they felt at its peak and at its end, rather than based on a total sum or average of every moment of experience. Think about the last holiday that you went to. What do you remember? It's unlikely that you remember everything. It's most likely that you remember the highlights of the holiday, how you enjoyed the jet ski ride and diving for the first time. And you also rate your holiday based on few peak events, and that is how you will remember it in your memory. Despite the fact that the weather was not so good on that particular holiday, but if the peak activities were great, then you'll have an amazing overall memory. You can use this rule in every area of your life to create better relationships and build your business. If you have a product that you are selling, then focus on 1 to 2 best features rather than listing every feature that the product has. It is also important to make sure that the end of the experience is positive as well, as this aspect will be well remembered as well. So if you give a presentation, then make sure that you finish it off with a bang, and that will help it to be better retained in the memory. Next time when you're planning activity or event, make sure that you focus on one peak activity and end it with a bang if you want to create a great experience. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I was able to give you a quick overview of what peak and roll is and how you can use it to your advantage. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could press the like button, as this will help the video reach more people and spread the message.